In this video, I'm going to show you my haul from Children's Place and also from J.Crew. And the first thing that I'm going to show you are these earmuffs that I've gotten for my daughter, and these are absolutely adorable. These are cat earmuffs, and these were originally for $14.95, and I've gotten them from Children's Place. And I just love the way it looks and love the patterns on the ears as well. And they're very fluffy and soft, and when I showed this to my daughter, she just absolutely loved it. And in addition to that, I've also gotten another one for my cousin, and my daughter and my cousin are around the same age, and I figured that I could give one to my cousin so they could both be twins and wear it at the same time. And then the next thing I've gotten are these panda earmuffs, and these are super adorable. I love these, and they're very fluffy and very adorable. And the next thing I've gotten are these super cute headband for my daughter, and I love the leopard print on it. And when I showed this to my daughter, she decided to wear it right away and model for me, and she looked absolutely adorable. I also got these tights for my daughter. It's black, and I like the fact that she could wear it with any of her outfits, and I love the sparkles and the design on it, and when I feel it, it's super comfortable and soft, so I had to get it when I saw it. The next thing I got is this t-shirt. It says princess on it, and in addition to that, it also has unicorns, goggles, very cute patterns, and I just love how it looks all together. And then it also says #boss and has praise on it. Basically everything that my daughter loves. And I also gotten this koala t-shirt, and it's a full sleeve tee, and I love the fact that it's so shiny and beautiful, and it's just, my daughter is really into koala, and this is her posing with her t-shirt, and she just looks so cute wearing it. And now here is another leggings that I've gotten for my daughter, and it says girls rock, and it's super cute. It has a lot of emojis on it, and I just love the fact that it's so cute and comfortable. For my son, I didn't get a whole bunch of stuff because he already has a ton of clothes, so I just gotten this one t-shirt that says snowboard boss, and it's so cute. It goes with the whole winter theme, and here my son modeling for me by wearing his outfit, and he just looks so cute. And then I got this for my nephew, who is almost 2 years old, and it says ninja like my dad, and I wish I had another one for his big brother, but I couldn't find a similar one in his size, but I just had to get this one for him because it's just so adorable. And then this one is for my daughter as well, and this is a hamburger, and then it says deluxe on top of it, and that hamburger one was from J.Crew factory, and this is also from J.Crew factory. It's an emoji, angel emoji, and I just love it. It's super adorable. And then this one is for her best friend, and I just love it, and I feel like whenever they have slumber party or something, I could give it to them so they could match together. It's just super adorable. And last but not least, I've gotten this cat emoji necklace for my daughter, and this is also from the J.Crew factory site, and I just love it. It has all of the cat emojis there, smiling, winking, surprised, and they are super adorable, and my daughter said this was one of her favorite. So I hope you like this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and also don't forget to turn on the notification button, and thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.